Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure your iPhone runs iOS 14 or later and is online. That matters because some features require newer iOS. Next, open the App Store, search for Chrome and tap Get, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID. Once installed, launch Chrome so it can request permissions. Grant only the permissions you need. For example, allow location for maps but decline notifications if you prefer fewer alerts. This gets you straight into the browser and ready to configure. Once Chrome opens, tap the profile icon to sign in with your Google account. This enables sync so bookmarks, history, and passwords follow you. If you want, import Safari bookmarks via settings to keep everything together. Next, dive into Chrome settings. Choose your default search engine, enable autofill for passwords and cards, and review site permissions like camera and microphone. Make these choices now so browsing is faster and more private later. They control how Chrome behaves, and you're almost done. Open new tabs with the plus button, swipe to switch, and use incognito when you need private sessions. If you prefer Chrome for all links, set it as your default in iPhone settings under Apps, available on iOS 14 and up. Otherwise, use the Share menu to choose Chrome manually. If a page fails to load, first check Wi-Fi or cellular, then clear Chrome's cache or force close and reopen the app. That fixes most issues. If not, restart the phone before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.